In this lecture, we are going to work on getting all the products for admin because later on we should show what products are available in our website. I will close. Now I will open product controller.js. Here we have written all these functions. Let me just minimize all these functions. Below this, I will be writing 6. I will give the comment as admin getting all products. Previously, normally we have written function to get all products. Now for admin, we are going to write the function for getting all the products. So here I will be writing export const. I will give the function name as get admin products is equal to, here I will be passing handle async error. This will be async function. Inside this, I will pass request, response and next. I'm just going to open this curly braces and now I just have to get all the products whatever I'm having in my website, because here for getting all the products we have added lot of things, like we have added pagination, we are doing search, we are doing filter. So what we will do, for admin we are going to create this separate function inside which we are only going to find all the products. So here I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as products. I will write await, and from this product model I will just apply this find method. Here I will be creating one variable products. I will pass await, and on this product model I will simply pass this find method. Using this, I will be able to find all the products which are available inside this model. Then I'm just going to send the response dot status. Status code will be 200 if everything is fine. Inside this, I will write success to be through, separate by comma. Then whatever products I will be having, that products I will be sending as response. Now copy this function, open product routes.js. So here we are getting products. Below this, let me just copy. Here I will be pasting. Inside this, I will be passing admin and then I will be passing products. So here I will just copy this function. Inside this, I will paste, remove last letter, hit enter. This function will be imported. And also, before getting all the admin products, we have to verify whether the user is logged in or not. So here we have to pass this function, and also we have to check authorization of the admin. So here we are going to pass this function. If user is admin, only then admin can get all the products which are available in website. Normally, user can get all the products, but if we are hitting this route, we have to check whether user is admin or not. If the user is not admin, then they will not be able to access this route. I will come to Postman, and from this create product, I will copy this route, close this. Here I will be pasting. So here we are having get admin, and after that we have to give products. I will simply write here products. I will remove this create. Now if I click on send, I am having authentication is missing. Please log in to continue. From here, I will open this login user. Inside this, I will give the email hanamtestad@gmail.com. Password, I will write 128. Click on send. Successfully, user is logged in. And this user is admin, which we have already changed. Now I will come to this. Click on send. Successfully, you can see admin will be able to access all the products which we have created. Now here, inside this collection, click on these three dots. Here I will add the new folder. I will give the folder name as admin. I will come to this route, click on save. I will select admin and here I will write get admin products and click on save.